Kashmiris who had left their hearth and home in Jammu and Kashmir rue the day they fell prey to Pakistan's lure of a promised land. Instead of the dream future, they have woken up to the reality of a harsh existence, of being second-class citizens or worse than that. Most have ended up doing menial jobs in Muzaffarabad, the capital of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. They begin the day early, even before the town wakes up, and their drudgery continues on and on. The discrimination is blatant, and many say it interferes with their faith too. They allege they're not even allowed to pray in the mosques along with others. The work is deliberately scheduled to keep them away from offering their prayers.
ਅਸੀਂ ਸਵੇਰ ਜਾਣੇ ਲੋਕ ਨਮਾਜ਼ ਪੜ੍ਹਨੇ हैं तो ਅਸੀਂ सफाई ਦਾ ਦੋਨੇ ਕਿ ਯਾਰਾ ਜੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਣਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਲੇਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਸਾਂ ਤੇ ਬੇਇੱਜ਼ਤੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਸੀ ਪਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਨੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਸਫਾਈਆਂ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਵਾਰਡਾਂ ਸਾਫ਼ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ.
Dubbed as muhajirs, the migrants complain they are not provided with any protective gear. Many have contracted infections while handling hazardous substances.
गंदगी उठाने उसके बाद जो सरिंज होती है जो कोई चीज़ हमारे हाथ में लाई जानी है वो बीमारियां हर किस्म दी अवरटाइडस दी है जो भी है असाने जिस्म विच लग गई जिसा असी घर आने नहीं बदले करने के यार जुलियन घर आने असाने जगह जड़ियां ते है ही नहीं.
Most live in shanties on the margins of Muzaffarabad. Life is an everyday struggle and many long for their homes and cool glades of Jammu and Kashmir. The hapless muhajirs now realize that they were pawns in Pakistan's game plan to show the world that Kashmiris were discontented under Indian rule. Begum Jan is one of the victims of Pakistani propaganda. Contrary to the promise of better prospects and good education for her children, she says they now have to decide between bread and books.
कोई ऐसा कोई सहूलत नहीं का कुछ भी नहीं निके निके यतीम बच्चे जेड़े उन्हां को पढ़ाइयां नहीं उन्हां को पढ़ाई करा ला तो उनका पेट नहीं पलदा तो 1500 जैसा गुजारा कुछ भी नहीं चलता.
Life is even more difficult, especially in single women-headed families like Tamanna's. Most days, tea is what she can offer her hungry children.
ना नीचे सोने के लिए जगह ना ऊपर जब बारिश आती है सब पानी आता है अंदर. ये देखो ये बिस्तर है सोने के लायक हम भी इसी बुला के वो देखो इधर ही सो जाते हैं. क्या करें सर दिन गुजारने कुछ भी नहीं लिया है. दिन को आप पूछ सकते हैं पूरी दालत से आप मांगती हूँ मैं दिन सारा. ये बच्चे मेरे साथ होते हैं कोई भी नहीं हमारी नौकरी है.
The muhajirs say they have lost all hope. Their next generation will also continue to lead the same life. Their children are denied formal education. The lone primary school where the muhajirs' children were admitted has been closed. Noreen, a young girl, says she would like to study in an atmosphere where she will not be insulted and taunted.
चाहते हैं कि हमारा अपना स्कूल हो जिसमें हम पढ़ सके हमें किसी के ताने ना सुनने पड़े.
Pakistan has been encouraging a policy of demographic re-engineering. In order to make way for people from its provinces, it has tried time and again to evict the muhajirs from their shanties. Pakistani secret police have brutally suppressed the muhajirs for trying to resist their eviction. There is a wave of anger swelling against the continuing repression and has led to frequent anti-Pakistan protests in Muzaffarabad.